Hello everyone. Shown on the screen are the DNR EMB online services. At the right, you can see the different online system, and in the system we can transact with DNR EMB. First in our list is the company registration system. So, what are we use uh, the company registration system? What is the use of company registration system? The CRS will enable us to register our company profile. Then in the online permitting and monitoring system, it allows us to apply discharge permit, permit to operate, and other relevant permits. Also, in our HWMS or Hazardous Waste Management System, here we register as hazardous waste generator. We can also register as waste transporter and or register as TSD facility. Last in our list of online services of DNR EMB is the online application system. And here allows us to secure PCO accreditation from EMB regional office. So that's it. It's very important to create an account in the DNR EMB online services to transact with DNR. So do not forget to create an account in every system. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.